Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of bash scripting. So today we are going to read user input from the terminal and we are going to print that part, right? So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. If you really like my video, please do like it, okay? So let's get started. So here we go with it. Okay, so here we have inputting the, you can just need to if you want to get the input from the user, you need to just add echo, enter the name. Read is the parameter that we have to use to read the name, right? Because you can see that name part, right? So then you can going to console that, you can print that part, right? Let's do it. Okay, let's copy it and let's see so you can understand more better on it. Okay, paste it. Okay, let's see here all. Here you can see that it says enter the name. I'm going to add my name and then it will going to print my name, right? The current username is Rajnikant, right? So this is how you're going to take the input from the user like this using the read command, right? So you can use this part. Moving to the next, if you want multiple, right? If you want multiple users input from the terminal, so for the multiple, what you need to do is like this: enter names. Okay, it's complete to the plurals, right? And after that you have to read name 1, name 2, name 3, then we are going to print that part. Let's see how it's gonna be working. So let's go and run this. Okay, let's see. So it's basically the first one. Okay, it will going to print enter names Rajnikant, test. Okay, all the threes are coming. Rajnikant, Rashpit and test are the other users. So you can take the multiple inputs if you want from the terminal. You can use this part, right? This way. If you want, also you can do that part also. Read minus p, right? So let's go now. We are going to work on it. So let me comment all this part like this. You can comment. Okay. I'm going to comment all this part and going to use this part, right? This is the commenting part. Now it says enter the full name and it will going to do that part, right? Let's go and check full name, right? So it will going to give the full name. If you want to print that part, you can use full name part, right? So this is how you can see that you can take the user input from the user like this. Okay, so one more thing, like if you want to give the like the prompt, dialog prompt, like it's whether it's to be a yes, whether it's to be a no. So last that we are going to use this one, confirmation dialog box. Okay, so let's add this part, confirmation dialog also. So let's go and check this. I'm going to comment this part. Okay, let's go for it. You want to continue? Yes. Okay, this is basically the confirmation dialog, so you can also use this part, right? So any doubt, any query in that? Okay, so just let me know in the comment section, and also please let me know that like next video in which we are going to upload it, right, in this section of the bash scripting. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.